Hello everyone, Uncle Frank here again, and we're gonna draw another Pokemon this time. I would like to draw today Squirtle, but this time we're gonna use a different technique, um, at least for coloring. So I make what I think is gonna be the head and the body. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle because it's just a sketch. So don't forget, we're going to erase all these lines in the future. So I'm making the markings to have a reference for the center. Basically I have his body done, and I'm going to start placing the arms. Okay, so one leg's gonna be around here. No details this time, just basic shapes. I'm gonna mark the center to see where his nose is gonna be. And also I'm gonna mark the beginning of his eyes. Big mouth. Small nostrils. And I'm gonna draw his eyes from this point. Now I can start refining the shapes for his head. Basic shape is ready, so let me get the marker, and I'm gonna use the same technique I've been using lately. I'm going to mark the external outline with a thicker marker. For the inside, I'm gonna use a thinner one. Time to erase the pencil lines. Okay, for this one I'm gonna use dry pastel chalks. You'll notice it's a different technique because I don't color it directly with the dry pastels. I just smudge. So I'm gonna use it just to uh, spread the color around, and then I'm gonna use my finger to smudge the drawing. And I'm gonna do the same for the rest of the body. Of course, I can use either my finger, or for smaller surfaces I can use a Q-tip. And it's done. I hope you've liked this new technique, and I hope you've learned something nice today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.